I am here at a cubing competition, the first one I've been to. So I'm excited to compete, and yeah, it's gonna be cool.
I just did a bunch of 2x2.
Where's Alan Cooper?
Oh my gosh.
Dexter, come. Dexter.
If it falls, you want me to pick it up for you? Okay.
Ready.
Oliver back. Oliver back. Oliver here. Keegan Lee. Keegan Lee.
That was not a good song.
That's okay.
49 point.
Ready last long?
8 seconds.
Oliver back. Oliver back.
Very nice. There's a good solve. So I just finished my 5 3x3 solves. It was decently good. I got some pretty good solves, but some bad ones too. I have a YouTube channel, so this is for that. Yeah, so my first competition, going pretty well. So next I have, I think, 2x2 and Pyraminx, but I also need to judge 3x3 and 2x2. So going pretty good. So now I'm judging. I'm the judge, so finished judging. That was pretty cool. I've never done that before. All this, it's so new, but I'm gonna do a practice solve. I'm at the table here with some of my friends.
You bought new shoes since we made.
So we're doing a math solve, and we have to solve these. None of us are in like the next are on for like the next 45 minutes or so. So we're doing a math solving. We have to solve all these cubes in less than 10 minutes. So it's gonna be good. We're at 6 minutes, and we are making very good we're almost done. We just have a few. We have a Pyraminx, we have a 4x4, and a Rubik's Impossible. So yeah. So now we're doing Pyraminx. I just put my Pyraminx in, and now I am waiting to solve.
Seeing how you are like.
See, this is my average is all over the place. I don't even know. I don't even really know. 8 seconds.
Just got 28 seconds, which is decent because I learned Pyraminx like 3 days ago. I procrastinated learning it until like right before the competition, so it's decent. I've been getting like 1 minute solves, which I'm pretty sure is like absolute trash for Pyraminx, but I borrowed someone else's Chi Pyraminx, which isn't good, but at least it's better than my Changsha Pyraminx, so hopefully I'll get more decent solves, at least for my standards.
Yeah.
8 seconds.
I learned Pyraminx like 3 days ago, so this is good for my standards.
You're about how I am, man. I'm really good at 3x3, but I still don't do Pyraminx. I solve it the same way that you're solving. I solve it the same way you're
50
solving.
seconds! Woohoo!
You and I will be competing against each other.
Okay. Yippee! 50 seconds! Yeah! Just got a 50-second solve in Pyraminx. I need to get good. And I didn't make cutoff, so that's what I get for procrastinating for learning that for so long. Ready?
Did someone leave this? Eli?
8. Oh, you didn't register. Oops. Shoot. Wrong algorithm.
I hate later
+2.
+2.
It's still pretty good though.
13.88.
Shoot, that's an 18-second solve.
I had a really bad
Dang.
last layer.
I messed up my last layer.
I got 13. Oh,
I
you're
got
+2.
16 and a +2.
I want you to,
So,
and you can improve that.
okay,
18.
ready.
Thank you. I even know I want to do that. It could damage your huge.
Ready.
Samuel Angelin.
Ready. Thanks. Yeah, I'm ready.
Graham, I got a 1. Graham, look what you won.
What is it?
10.710.
10.7.
All right, so I just finished 2x2. That was amazing. I got a 16-second solve with a +2, which was my worst solve because it was the cube was like this instead of being fully solved. So that was my worst solve. My best solve was 8 seconds, and then I got 2 11 seconds and 1 10 seconds. So my average is probably going to be around 11 seconds. So I'm pretty happy with that. It was pretty good. Probably not going to be in like a top 60 or anything, but I'm happy with that. So my first competition was good. Oh yeah, and I still need a judge 2x2, so there's that.